Oh my God, it's not raining anymore. Oh my God. No joke, guys. It's been awful, man. Like, it's been raining every day or super cold, and I haven't been able to record anything, man. It freaking sucks. So I apologize for the long delay since the last video that I put out. But today, I wanted to work on the Evo. I've got a car show coming up, or a car meet that I work at. This is like the 3rd year for it. Anyways, this is the 3rd year of this car meet. I've worked at it for the last 2, and this year I'm actually like an employee, and I needed to start working on the Evo, but the rain and weather and all that crap has not been letting me. Even though I technically have a garage, it's still like there's like no heat, and the light kind of sucks and everything like that, so I have to battle. I don't know why I'm telling you guys all this, but I just want to let you know what's happening here. But I have to battle daylight and everything. It's just, it's awful. But the headlights, they're not terrible, but they are definitely foggy, especially if you look at it from like the side. You can kind of see it, but if you look straight on, it's not bad, but it definitely needs some work. So that's what I'm going to work on today. I'm going to show you guys what I do and everything for it, and maybe show you some tips and tricks on how to get it working. So I use Meguiar's. I've got 2 kits. I'll show you both. This is the old Meguiar's set that I used to use right here. It works fine. I don't know where that little wheel thing is anymore. It's like a buffer thing or whatever, and I don't have it anymore. I don't think it's in the box, but I do have like, I think some compound stuff or something in here. Let me see. That's the protectant stuff. That's pretty good. It keeps the headlights looking nice and fresh for a while. And I think this other thing is probably the stuff, cleaner and polish. Yeah, so this is the polish stuff that I use. I think the set that I use now actually has this as well. Oh, I think this set actually has a little wheel too. I haven't used this in a while. As you can tell, like, I only do it like once a year. Once it gets to this point, I just redo it. So yeah, there's a little wheel right there. Okay, sweet. So it comes with a wheel. It comes with, if you want to do it by hand, the little buffer thing right there. I think this is actually to get some of the clear off. And then this one actually buffs it to make it really shiny. I don't know which one I'm gonna use first. I think I'm gonna just start with this and see how it looks. And then I think an extra wheel. Yeah, I think this one is 1000 grit, and this one is 3000 grit. So you start with that one and you go with this one. I'm not gonna use the 1000 grit just because I bought this kit originally when these headlights, if you notice, like right here, there's like this weird, like these 2 like lines. I have no idea what they're from. The 3000 works just fine to get some of this off. I'm gonna start with the polishing wheel first, and if I need to get down to business, I'll start sanding it and then go back and polish. Let's do it. Let's give it a shot. Let's go ahead and shake it. This looks inappropriate. The instructions say to put like a dime size amount on there. That's what I like to do. I almost forgot to tell you guys, like an amateur move, probably because I'm worried about the daylight dying over here. I hate this freaking time of year, man. But you definitely want to make sure you're taping up the edges and stuff. All right, that's good enough. Let's go ahead and give it a shot here. See if I need to use some sandpaper or if this is gonna be good enough. Let's give it a shot. Holy crap, damn, that's coming out really good. Let's put some more on there. They definitely want you to like buff and immediately take it off. Dang. Holy cow. Just a little before and after, man. So this is what it looks like right now, the driver's side. And then look at the passenger side. Oh my God, dude. What a freaking difference. And I didn't even have to sand it. That's why I freaking love this stuff, man. Meguiar's, by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I'm a huge fan of their stuff, dude. No joke. Their stuff is awesome. Look at this. So freaking clear. Heck yeah. Let's do the other side. You can totally tell, like, this is the side I buffed, this is the side I haven't buffed yet. This stuff is freaking awesome, dude. Let's keep going. Oh, I love it. Dude, and I am done. So there's the passenger side. There's the driver's side. Perfect, man. That's what I wanted right there. Sick. This headlight restoration kit is like, it's like 30 or 40 bucks. I can't remember what it was, but it's totally worth it versus buying a new set of headlights, especially if you own an Evo. There is no such thing as an aftermarket headlight for the Evo, period. It does not exist. Nobody's made it. I don't know if maybe Mitsubishi like has like some sort of weird like copyright or whatever the heck on it, but it does not exist whatsoever. So dude, get it. Seriously, this stuff is awesome. Your headlights will go from that crap before that's yellow to this legit clearness right here. Didn't even have to sand. That's freaking awesome. All right, guys, that's it. Today's gonna be a short and sweet one. I wanted to give you guys a quick update. So that car meet, I'm gonna link it somewhere in the description. It's coming up. If you're anywhere within a couple hours driving distance to Tennessee, come check this car meet out. Seriously, it's awesome. It's inside a pavilion. It looks rad. I'll link right here last year's video. Last year I was only recording in a GoPro, so I apologize for the crappy quality. But yeah, man. So I have to prep the car for this. So there's a bunch of more videos coming up for the Evo, so if you guys like Evo stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I gotta get back to work. I gotta put this thing together because tomorrow I'm going to the Florida Swamp Fest in Orlando. Anybody that's everybody in BMX is gonna be there. So come say hi to me tomorrow if you're in the area, man. Seriously, come up to me and be like, hey dude, I subscribed to your channel. That will freaking make my day. You guys wouldn't even understand, seriously. So this weekend in Astatula, Florida, right outside of Orlando, Florida Swamp Fest is happening. Come see me, man, seriously. I gotta get this hitch put on the car so I can actually put the bikes on. And I'll see you guys this weekend, man. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Seriously, more Evo videos are coming, guys. All right, peace.